Before buying a 40-gallon electric water heater, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Chiroprotect Anode Rod. Let's kick things off with the Chiroprotect Powered Anode Rod. Priced at $159.95, this product caught my attention because it's designed to tackle one of the biggest headaches of water heaters: corrosion and odors. If you want hassle-free hot water without that rotten egg smell, this is worth a serious look. This anode rod does more than just sit there. It actively eliminates odors from your hot water within 24 hours, which is a game changer if you've ever been hit with that sulfur stench. It's compatible with 4080 9-gallon water heaters and comes with a 20-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. Plus, it's energy efficient, helping to save on your energy bills by preventing sediment buildup. The fact that over 7,700 buyers rated it 4.7 stars shows it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky if you're not handy. But honestly, the included step-by-step instructions make it pretty straightforward, even for those a bit less experienced with DIY tasks. I'd say it's not a deal-breaker, especially for the benefits you get. This is perfect for you if you're tired of dealing with smelly hot water and want to extend the life of your heater. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete heater replacement instead of an accessory. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the idea of installation stressed you out, the next option could take a different approach to ease your worries. Product number 2, Rheem 18 kW Tankless Heater. Next up is the Rheem 18 kW Tankless Electric Water Heater, priced at $424.95. What really caught my eye here is its impressive efficiency rating of 99.8%. If you're looking for a reliable heater that can keep up with your family's hot water demands, this is worth a serious look. This tankless model provides a flow rate of 4.4 gallons per minute, which means you can run multiple showers or appliances at once without worrying about running out of hot water. It also features an external digital thermostat with LED display, allowing you to adjust the temperature with pinpoint accuracy. Here's why this matters. If you've ever had to jump out of the shower because someone flushed the toilet, you'll appreciate the self-modulating technology that adjusts power to meet your hot water needs. However, some users noted that it requires a bit of electrical work to set up, particularly needing 240V connections. Here's the thing though, if you're ready for that upfront investment in installation, the benefits of continuous hot water make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household or frequently run multiple hot water sources at once. Skip this one if you're in a place where you can't make the electrical upgrades needed. For the performance it provides, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something simpler. Product number 3, Rheem 11 kW Tankless Heater. Now let's talk about the Rheem 11 kW Tankless Electric Water Heater, available for $255. This one is more compact and budget-friendly, and it caught my attention because it still packs a punch despite its lower price point. If you want an efficient heater without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With a flow rate of 2.68 gallons per minute, it's perfect for smaller homes or apartments where hot water needs are less demanding. It features adjustable digital temperature control, so you can easily set it to your comfort level. Plus, its self-modulating power control means you're not wasting energy when you don't need hot water. Here's why this matters. It delivers consistent hot water without the hassle of a bulky tank. However, some users mentioned that it might not be sufficient for heavy usage, like multiple showers running simultaneously. But honestly, if you live alone or in a smaller household, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller space and need a reliable source of hot water without the bulk of a traditional heater. Skip this one if you have a larger home with heavy hot water demands. For its price and efficiency, it's a solid investment. Now, if you need something that can handle more demand, the next option might just fit the bill. Product number 4, GE 10-gallon water heater. Let's take a look at the GE Appliances 10-gallon versatile plug-and-play electric water heater, priced at $329. This unit stood out to me due to its compact design and ease of installation. If you want flexibility and hot water where you need it, this is definitely worth a serious look. This water heater can be installed in just minutes using existing plumbing, making it a great choice for kitchens, bathrooms, or even RVs. It operates on a standard 120-volt supply and is perfect for those smaller hot water needs without taking up too much space. The adjustable thermostat lets you customize the temperature, and with an 8-year limited warranty, you're getting some solid peace of mind. Now, some users felt that 10 gallons might not be enough for bigger families. But here's the thing, if you're using it in conjunction with another water heater or for specific tasks like boosting washing machines, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a compact heater that's easy to install and move around. Skip this one if you need more than just supplementary hot water. For what it offers, it's a smart buy. Next up, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the final product on my list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Rheem RTEX24 Tankless Heater. Finally, we have the Rheem RTEX24 kW240V electric tankless water heater, priced at $519.99. This one really caught my eye because it's designed to provide continuous hot water for the entire home, which is impressive. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient option, this is worth a serious look. With a flow rate of 5.9 gallons per minute, it can handle multiple showers and appliances going at once without skipping a beat. It features adjustable temperature control that lets you set the temp in 1-degree increments, allowing for precise adjustments. Plus, it's energy efficient and takes up less space since it's tankless. Here's why this matters: you'll save money in the long run on your energy bills. However, some reviewers mention that the installation can be complex, especially if your home's electrical system isn't up to par. But honestly, if you're ready for a home upgrade and have the electrical capacity, the long-term benefits and efficiency make this a great investment. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household and need a dependable source of hot water. Skip this one if you're not prepared for the initial installation investment. Overall, for its capabilities, it's worth every penny. So to wrap things up, we've seen a range of options, from the Chiroprotec anode rod for odor issues, to Rheem's tankless models that excel in efficiency and adaptability, and even a compact GE water heater for smaller spaces. Each product has its unique strengths, so depending on your specific needs, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Whichever you choose, you'll be one step closer to enjoying reliable hot water.